Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for PinkFresh Fridays. It's where we use PinkFresh stuff and products and whatnot, and so I am going to be using it from the scrap room. It's the March collection, and this is the Spring Vibes collection stuff, and then I do get the embellishment section, so that is it. I am going to link up here the sketch that I am following. It is from over the weekend. I had my monthly crop that is in my group. I will link all that down below and the sketch up here. So let's see what I can do. Alright, as I explained before, this is for PinkFresh Friday Studios YouTube hop, where we all get together and we just do products that are from PinkFresh Studio, and we use them on our layouts. Now, like I said, this came from the March collection from the scrap room, and it's the Spring Vibes. There's not a lot of bits and bobs in there, and I know that I did get the embellishments as well for this one, but there wasn't a lot of things in there, so this actually worked out pretty well because the sketch, as you can tell up front, is very light of embellishment heavy type layout, so that worked out well there. And the photo is of my daughter. She goes to what we call SOAR celebrations. We're not a PIVA school, but we have things in place to keep the behaviors down and stuff in the school system or in our school. And they do SOAR celebrations. And so she remembered me when she took some of my money, not took it, but I gave her some of my money so that she could go to the dance or the celebration. And she brought back some M&Ms for me. And so she left me a note because that same day I had something going on at school. And so she left this on the counter, and by the time I got home, she was sleeping. So I took a picture of it, and I was like, oh, I love this. She remembers me sometimes. So she left me this. And so what I decided to do is that I went and used the embellishments and the smaller amount of embellishments to just do the clusters. So I decided, instead of doing it the other direction, I liked keeping everything on this section and leaving the white space because I do my splatters, as you guys know. So you'll see me use those as well in just a little bit, the frames. Let's see here. So I am going to distress everything and just kind of put everything down. Had to let the dog out. Lord Jesus. The minute you shut a door to do something, he thinks that he needs to get out right away. But I am using the little bits and bobs that did come with this collection. And I just really love how it turns out in the end. I love the white space on the side. And I kept kind of just to... It's not really a 9x12 section, but kind of like 6x12 section for my embellishment clusters and stuff, and then just left the white space for some of my black splatters and a little bit of it up on top. You'll see that it comes into play, and then that is about it. Make sure that you go check out my group that's down below. This is where this sketch is from, is my monthly crop. And in the month of June and July, we are doing what is called a staycation vacation. And we are going to do a 4-day crop where each day there is going to be challenges and all of that fun stuff. So I would love to see you over there. So make sure you check out my group that's down below. And then obviously all of the shared files are there, and all of the layouts that have been made and all of that fun stuff is there for you to look at. You don't have to just, do what's for the month. There are tons of challenges out there that if you search a certain one, you could pull up all of the different ones that the ladies have done that wanted to post and all of that fun stuff. So I would love to have you there. Obviously, I would love to have you here as well. I am working on 4,000 subscribers. I am halfway there. I am almost in June, and I would love to be at 3,500. I am super close. So please hit that like and subscribe button. I would love to have you part of my YouTube family. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week, collaborations, design teams, all of that fun stuff. So this is what I decided to do with the frames, is add them in the background in certain spots, just to add a little bit of, something to it, kind of block it off a little bit. And it's a good way to use your frames. If you cut them up, a lot of times we hide our frames and not see all of it. So it would be, good to cut it and then use them in different spots like I did. So the title is going to be Love Her, because the theme for May for the crop was, your motherly figure or mother figures. Well, I decided because she loved mom so much in this photo that's why I used the photo and kind of represented her in the photo, as in, that she loves me and thought of me and hoped that I would like them and that kind of stuff. So that's what I did there. And then I'm coming in with my enamel dots, and then that's pretty much it. You will see me come in with my black splatters. The paint pen information is always linked down below. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you. Check out everybody else that's linked down below. I know that they always do an amazing job with PinkFresh Studio. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.